What do you get when you make your favorite soup in a slow cooker as easy as possible? You get a super happy mom. In this week's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the world's easiest and most delicious slow cooker potato soup. And the best part is we're actually going to make it entirely from food storage. What that means for you is that you don't have to do any chopping or peeling of potatoes, which is usually what makes creamy potato soup kind of annoying to make. And it's going to be done in the slow cooker, so you can start it in the morning, finish it off at night. And number 3, we're going to use that magic mix I showed you how to make last week to add a creamy texture without having to use cream and without having to dirty another pot, making a white sauce to add to it. For this week, I want to share with you one quick food storage buying tip, and that is you can buy potato dices dehydrated, and you can also buy them freeze-dried. You're going to want to buy them dehydrated. Anytime you have an option where you can buy the fruit or vegetable dehydrated, you're always going to get a better deal on it because you're always going to get more in the can and you're actually getting a better price for all of those fruits and vegetables. So for this recipe, I'm not only going to use dehydrated potato dices, but I'm also going to use dehydrated onions because who really wants to chop an onion? Isn't that just the best potato soup? Oh, it's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe below to make sure you don't miss any other recipes or food storage tips. And if you want the full written recipe, be sure to visit my website at storethisnotthat.com/everydayfoodstorage. And while you're at it, go ahead and leave me a comment with your favorite soup or any burning food storage questions. I love to answer any food storage questions anybody may have.